Unpacking, Sun's Out, Guns Out, a guide to slang in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and widely used English phrase, sun's out, guns out. This expression is a great example of how language can be playful and culturally informative. It's a phrase that encapsulates the joy and attitude of sunny days. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. At its core, sun's out, guns out is a humorous expression used to celebrate good weather. When the sun is shining brightly, it's time to wear sleeveless shirts or tank tops, hence the term guns, which is a slang term for muscles. It suggests that sunny weather is the perfect opportunity to show off one's physical fitness or simply enjoy the warmth without the constraints of heavy clothing. The phrase, sun's out, guns out, likely originated from bodybuilding or fitness communities, where displaying one's muscles is common. Over time, it has transcended those circles and become popular in wider society, especially during the summer months. Its catchy rhyme and upbeat message have helped it stick in people's minds. You can use sun's out, guns out in various contexts. As a light-hearted invitation to enjoy the outdoors or go to the beach. To compliment someone on their appearance in a fun way when they're dressed for warm weather. As a motivational phrase to encourage friends or oneself to stay active and healthy. Remember, the phrase is informal and best used in casual settings among friends or in social media posts celebrating sunny days. Sun's out, guns out is more than just a phrase about the weather and clothing. It reflects a cultural attitude towards sunshine, leisure, and fitness. It's a celebration of being able to enjoy the outdoors, the joy of sunny days, and the fun of being active. This phrase encapsulates a small but significant part of English-speaking culture's approach to summer and good weather. We hope this video has brightened your day and expanded your English vocabulary with the playful and popular phrase, sun's out, guns out. It's a fun reminder of how language and culture can intersect, bringing a smile and a bit of sunshine into our lives, regardless of the weather. Until next time, keep learning and enjoy the sunshine whenever you can.